In primetime news this evening, taxi operators chided for raising fares.
Major flooding in sections of Portland.
And business confidence down, but consumer confidence up. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. And coming up in business news, it's carnival season and more people are expected to jump.
And somebody who's not jumping right now, Spencer Darlington, has a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, some stakeholders are calling for a revamping of the Intercollegiate Athletics Championship. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you very much, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what has been your experience with paying taxi fares in the Kingston metropolitan region?
I have a co-worker who has lots to say about that. But you may share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.